Good morning, guys. We're gonna spend today's vlog upstairs. I don't know if it's gonna be a long one or a short one, but I want to get this room cleaned, and I also need to get into the guest bedroom and clean some of that out and start getting those extra holiday decor items into the new storage bin that I just bought at Big Lots. I need to vacuum this couch. Loxie has been getting back on the couch now all of a sudden. She wasn't doing that when we first moved in. So I gotta get it all vacuumed. And you know what, while we're here, let's do a quick sit down haul. Actually, it's not my haul, it's my daughter's haul, but she's got everything up here and I thought I'd show you guys what she bought herself. So we're gonna sit right here, and these are all the things, like I said, that she bought herself. She went by herself, paid for herself, and it's just all sitting right here, so I thought it'd be kind of cute to show you guys what she got. So this is basically for her apartment for the next school year for college. So the first thing that she got was this drying. All right, let's pause right here because I actually filmed this sit down haul for my vlog before I decided to basically refilm it and do a dedicated video over on my main channel. So if you want to see what my daughter got for her apartment plus, I took her to Pier 1 and we got a bunch of stuff. There is a video up on it on my main channel, and I will link it down below in the description box for you guys in this video. So we're gonna go ahead and skip it for this vlog and let's continue on. I was cleaning that back corner out and I found this stand that I've had for a while. I'm gonna bring it back down because I think I might put it in the corner next to the TV, but I'll explain all of this in my decor haul, which will already have been up before you see this video. So if you're curious, I'll link that video down below. It's over on my main channel, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this downstairs, but I wanted to show you guys that I got everything nice and vacuumed. I need to do some cleaning on that armchair. I think that's chocolate. And there's the comfy cozy sign. I think it's gonna go up right there. Yeah, so I'm still trying to figure that out. Here are the movie posters. And then in that corner, I'm actually gonna do a bunch of pictures of the family. Look at that. But I thought I was gonna do my daughter's friends, but I've scratched that, and I have so many photos that I've just never have gotten around to framing, because whenever my daughter gets, you know, professional photos taken or just anything, I always go for putting her stuff up. But I mean, you know, there needs to be other photos too besides her. So I think that's gonna be like a wall of family photos, I think. I don't know if it's gonna like mix, but there will be other spots that I will put photos, by the way. Not gonna sacrifice them for the sake of decor, obviously, but it's just a matter of finding the right spot. So I think I'm gonna do that there, but we'll see. I'm still working on this table. I think I need different lamps. I want bigger lamps. I just thought that one was bigger, and when it arrived, it just obviously wasn't. So yeah. I'll figure that out later, but I did a switch up. It's pretty minor, but see those black pillows? They're all the same material. I decided to put them all on the couch together, whereas I used to have 2 of them over with this white one. And then you can see this black one is different than those, and I had 2 of those over there, but I think it looks a lot nicer this way. Oh, whew, ladies, there's a lot going on, but I have to go downstairs real quick because I'm making breakfast and my timer just went off. So I'm gonna bring this down. You can see all my new decor. I went shopping this morning, but I didn't vlog it. Hopefully these aren't burnt, but I have a feeling they are. Yep, a little toasty. Lucy's on in the background, but you can see the clouds they're rolling in. There's supposed to be a storm later on today, but I did pull the orange rolls off so they wouldn't cook any longer in that pan. A little burnt, but that's okay. I'm gonna let them cool for a second before I put the icing, but we're gonna go back upstairs so that we can finish cleaning. The next thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and get this piece here. That's exactly where I wanted it, but there's another piece that I want to add to it. I think I'm going to be adding to it. I'm not entirely sure. I know that's kind of confusing, but I think I want to drape greenery on it, but I don't have any because it's not on sale at Hobby Lobby yet. That will be next week, but I'm going to go ahead and get it at least on the wall so that I can see, you know, what that looks like. But I love this piece, and thank you to the lady who suggested that I put it in this room. So thank you so much. I am very shocked and pleased, to say the least, that I got this room cleared out. I didn't actually think it would happen. I thought that I was going to need more bins, and I was actually left over with an extra one, which I need anyway, so it'll get filled. But this room is looking so much better. Did I say I vacuumed off camera? Probably. These are just decor pieces that I've been laying around, just trying to feel out the room. I just moved that into the corner. None of this is where it's gonna be. Here's the bed. I just double layered another duvet cover on top of the white. These are actually my daughter's, but you know, keeping them on hand, and they're gonna work out great. I just need to do pillows, and I actually need a foam pad to get some more height up, because the mattress that I got was not thick enough. So that's how I'm gonna solve for the lower bed. I'll just buy an insert for the top, and it'll raise it about 3 extra inches. And then I need to clean the mirror. You can see that there was a tag there. I had to wipe it off. These are just extra pieces. This one is new well, it's not new, but my brother gave it to me. So when he brought over the rug and the chair, he brought that piece over. So I've just been stacking stuff, like leftover decor pieces from the last house, because I'm not sure how I'm going to, I'm not sure what's going on the walls. I do know how I want it to look, but I just don't know what pieces I'm gonna decide on. Plus this room has the, not vaulted, but you know, the slanted ceilings because of the attic. So there's not as much wall space. I have this space and then that. If you think about it, that's kind of it, because there's some space right there and some space right there as well. I mean, the touch of paint that they did, oh God, it makes me cringe. Not a top priority. It's gonna be a next year 2021 project. So we're not gonna really focus too much on that, but I got everything done that I wanted to get done. Also, this has all of my fall decor in here. It also has like my daughter's mums and things like that. I thought I was gonna move my fall stuff downstairs, but for now I've decided to just keep it here, especially since fall is right around the corner. Yeah, there's just no need for me to move it, to move it back out, you know, that whole thing. So after fall is over, I'll put it in its permanent storing location. But anyways, I'm really, really happy with how this room turned out. But of course, there is a mess out here. So all of this needs to go into the garage, boxes to be recycled. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now.